stand still. The starlit train hums soft and chill. He waves to the moon as the journey begins. Golden lamplight warm on his grin. Leaning out to the drifting mist, he catches clouds that twist and twist. An owl conductor with kindly eyes punches his ticket beneath the skies. Steam turns to sheet that bound with cheer, hopping along as the rails draw near. With cocoa in hand, gazes far, eyes reflecting each shining star. He points to constellations bright, drawn in trails of silver light. Between moon-shaped lanterns he wanders through, their gentle glow a dreamy hue. A pillow cloud drifts through the air. He giggles and gives it a little stare. Outside, Mello kissed by golden beams, a cheerful girl of picnic dreams. In a dress of berries, pink and sweet, she sat where grass and sunshine meet. She spread soft jam with careful hands, while bunnies peeked through flower strands. The bread gleamed bright beneath the sky, as butterflies went fluttering by. A swooping bird with playful glee snatched a strawberry cheekily. She laughed aloud with sparkling eyes, as petals twirled in breezy skies. With sandwich play in tiny grip, she ran with clock that danced and slipped. The sun dipped low, the shadows glowed, as low the sweeping camera flowed. She snapped her treats up tall and proud, while squirrels watched without a sound. Light filtered through the blossoms near, as magic glimmered warm and clear. She lay back with a happy sigh, clouds like pillows drifting by. The picnic blanket soft and wide, her sandwich joy tucked at her side. She shared her meal with hedgehogs small, sunlight catching cheeks and all. It sniffed with joy, its eyes so bright. A snap.
Bella in stripes and a jester hat high leaps as the jack hops into the sky. She spins with cymbals in both hands wide. The jack claps along with gleeful pride. From a giant box she pops to cheer. Sparkles swirl as the crowd draws near. She leads spring toy animals in a band, music marching across the land. On a bouncing drum she juggles with grace. Clocks fly high in a rhythmic chase. 3 jacks pop up in perfect beat. Spotlights sleep as the crowd's on their feet. In a toy train she rides with glee. Jacks wave back from each carriage she sees. With a spring-made rope she skips in time. The jack hops too in a merry rhyme. A glittery box bursts butterflies bright.
In the jacket bright and sunny, bold, with marching boots and dreams of gold, Benny stepped out proud and grand, a tiny baton in his hand. Behind him came the buzzing crew, with golden trumpets bright and new. The bees blew notes that filled the sky, as petals twirled and danced nearby. He waved with joy, drum at his side, while harmony hummed far and wide. Confetti swirled, the flowers cheered, and woodland friends all clapped and peered. He skipped along with tambourine, as bees twirled batons in between. From high above the view was sweet, a music path beneath his feet. He puffed his cheeks and played his tune into a tuba shaped like a moon. The bees above all buzzed in flight, their notes like stars in warm daylight. Past honeycomb floats trimmed with sun, the buzzing dancers spun and spun. Through candy-colored streets, Bella rides with glee. Golden bell trolley rolling merrily. Confetti butterflies swirl in the air. Giggling with dimples, she tosses them there. A ring of the bell sends sparkles to play, bouncing along in a shimmering spray. She waves to jugglers with balloons so bright, colors dancing in the morning light. A fountain laughs in a misty face, spraying joy through the sunny space. Tiny hat ducks waddle to her side. Bella claps as they match her stride. Through a glowing lollipop arch she steers, sugar sweet magic erasing fears. She catches bubbles with bells inside, holding them close with sparkling pride. Rainbow crosswalks chime with each wheel's song. Bella claps as they match her stride. Baby Bella hops on island sweet, caramel overalls, syrup beneath her feet. Paddling a butterboat with Yankee stripe, grace whipped cream clouds in a syrupy place, sliding down syrup waterfalls so tall. Giggling as maple drops glitter and fall, toes dipped in syrup from a giant pancake drop. Blueberries floating by a golden soft clock, building towers of pancakes high, crowned with butter reaching the sky. Chasing strawberries, bouncing on cinnamon sugar bridges. Chasing blackberries, bouncing on cinnamon sugar bridges. It's so blue, sunset syrup sea, lily pads like pancakes float nearby with glee. Riding a pancake carousel, berry-shaped friends spin round in a playful carousel swell. Catching syrup raindrops under cotton candy skies, caramel clouds drifting as her smile flies. Bouncing on the giant blueberry float, arms spread wide on the glowing pancake mold. Bouncing on syrup trampolines between pancake towers tall, whipped cream splash sparkling over all. Pouring syrup rivers with golden ladle care, focused smiles lighten the breakfast air. Down the parade route, and he skips with cheer. Tiny pocket toys all bouncing near. A wind-up duck from her pocket hops, waddling past rainbow parade stops. A drum toy taps to a joyful beat. Confetti rains down the colorful street. A ballerina twirls and golden lights spinning so softly, a magical sight. A toy train puffs its glittery streams, circling her shoes in a candy dream. A crown of toy animals sits on her head, each one wiggles with charm as she's led. A rocket zooms with stardust glow, circling Penny in a cosmic show. From her overalls a long string flows, each toy pops to life as the parade grows. On a float she plays a tiny piano suite, notes drift upward the sky to greet. She shares her teddy with the bunny's embrace, parade balloons dripping in gentle grace. A treasure chest bursts with sparkling gems, shining bright like jeweled diadems. On a pocket watch float she smiles with pride, gears turning gently by her side.